In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate the Kalodata website to discover trending products. Whether you're a seasoned user or just exploring the platform for the first time, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First things first, you'll need to visit the Kalodata website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. For those of you who don't have an account yet, no worries. Kalodata offers a free trial, so simply click on the Sign Up option. Providing a few basic details will get you started on your new account, allowing you to explore the multitude of data insights that Kalodata offers. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Product Discovery section. To do this, head over to the main menu and look for either the Explore tab or the Product tab. This section is your gateway to a wealth of information on trending products across various categories. It's essentially where you begin your exploration of the market trends, providing a comprehensive overview of what's hot and what's not in the world of products. Now that you've reached the Product Discovery section, it's time to refine your search using Kalodata's robust filtering options. Filters are your best friends when it comes to honing in on the precise information you need. Start by selecting the product category that most interests you. Whether you're into electronics, fashion, or any other niche, choosing the right category will streamline your search results, making them much more relevant to your interests. Next up, you'll want to consider the time frame for your search. Kalodata allows you to filter the product trends by specific periods, be it the last 7 days, the past 30 days, or any other period that suits your needs. This function is incredibly useful for spotting the most recent trends or observing longer-term patterns over time. Moving on to another critical aspect of your search, you have the ability to filter products by region. This is especially beneficial if you're interested in understanding market trends in specific geographical areas. Whether you're focused on a local market or considering global expansion, tailoring your search by region can provide valuable insights. Finally, use metrics to sort the products in a way that highlights top performers. You might sort by revenue to see which products are financially outperforming others, or by growth rate to spot rapidly emerging products. You could even consider the number of sales as a key indicator to identify products with widespread consumer interest. And there you have it. By logging into Kalodata and utilizing these steps, you can discover trending products efficiently and with a strategic approach. I hope this guide has been informative and helpful, and you'll feel more confident navigating the platform to get the most out of its features. Happy exploring!